So let us solve one more problem based upon trigonometric basic ratios and trigonometric identities. Just see here, we need to prove something here. We need to show that tan theta minus cot theta by sin theta cos theta is equal to what? We need to show here two results. One is this one and one is this one. Okay, we need to show that this is equal to what? Secant square theta minus cosecant square theta, or else we need to show another result is that tan square theta minus cot square theta. So don't be panic while you are asked to show the two results. First get any one of them, either this or this, it's your choice. Okay, first get this, then after then by doing small changes in this answer we get this. Understood? First focus upon this. Okay, anyways we take LHS part. LHS, which is your tan theta minus cot theta by sin theta into cos theta as given in LHS part. Now for our convenience, change all the expressions in numerator part and denominator part into sin thetas and cos thetas, so that it can be solved easily. Anyways, and before doing that, just separate the fractions. Here separating the fractions, what do we get here? Separate the fractions. Tan theta by sin theta into cos theta minus cot theta by sin theta into cos theta. What I have done? Simply I have separated the fractions over here. Now convert the terms of tan and cot into sines, sin and cos. So how can we write tan theta? Tan theta can be written as what? Sin theta by cos theta. Okay, and what is cot theta? It is a reciprocal of tan, no? So that can be written as what? Cos theta by sin theta. That means what we are doing here? We are changing, we are converting all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sin thetas and cos thetas. Okay, to solve easily. Right, see here, what do we do here? Sin theta by cos theta can be right or not? Okay, this can be written as sin theta by cos theta. I mean, this is sin theta by cos theta, we just wrote it, and already denominator there are existing sin theta and cos theta. So into sin theta into cos theta are already existing over there in the denominator part. Now what is your next fraction? Here cot theta. As I said you, cot theta can be converted to what? Cos theta by sin theta. So here cos theta by sin theta into, already sin theta cos theta are existing over there, sin theta into cos theta. Right. If you observe, in this fraction there exists sin theta and sin theta in both numerator and denominator part. So we can cancel them. Now here also in numerator and denominator part we can cancel cos theta. So what is remained? So here 1 by cos theta is into cos theta multiplied 2 times. So therefore it is cos square theta minus here 1 by sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta. Okay. Now 1 by cos square theta, as I said you, okay, 1 by cos theta will be equal to what? Secant theta. Means on squaring this you get secant square theta or not? Exactly. 1 by cos theta means cos theta and sin theta are reciprocals of each other. So therefore 1 by cos square theta, 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. So therefore squaring that, 1 by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta, right? So here secant square theta minus 1 by sin theta is what? Cosecant theta, because both of them are reciprocals of each other. Sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. So therefore 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. To that they are existing a square. So 1 by sin square theta is equal to what? Cosecant square theta, right? So cosecant square theta. I think we could obtain our first RHS part. So this is your first answer. So we obtain Now we are asked to find the same answer for the same question in another terms also, that is what, tan square theta minus cot square theta. We have secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, of course. So I'll write here. Okay, now secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now send this tan square theta to another side of the equation, then sign will be converted. So this, therefore secant square theta can be written as, here minus tan square theta becomes plus tan square theta on going that side. So this is one of the relation. Similarly, we have another identity also, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, right. If you bring this cot square theta to another side of the equation, it becomes plus. So therefore cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, right. These are the two relations we can use here to convert this answer into our favorable conditions. Okay, right. See here, secant square theta value we can substitute as 1 plus tan square theta or not? Exactly. So put it here, 1 plus tan square theta. Now minus of cosecant square theta value would be substituted by what? 1 plus cot square theta or not? Exactly. 1 plus cot square theta we can substitute like this. I have done nothing here. I just have substituted secant square theta with 1 plus tan square theta from the basic identity, right. And I have substituted cosecant square theta with 1 plus cot square theta, that is also from basic identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, right. So now how can we simplify further? Just open these brackets, 1 plus tan square theta minus into plus minus 1 minus into plus minus cot square theta. Now minus 1 plus 1 are getting cancelled. Now what is left over here? Tan square theta minus cot square theta. I think we got second RHS part also, means we got two answers, means first answer was secant square theta minus cosecant square theta, which we obtained before, and now we obtained our second result also, which we need. So is it proved or not? Exactly. So if you did not understand, just I'll repeat briefly. Just see here, tan theta minus cot theta by sin theta into cos theta we have. Now we have separated the fractions, tan theta by sin theta cos theta and cot theta by sin theta. Now we converted this tan and cot into sin and cos, that is sin by cos and cos by sin. Now after cancelling the terms, we obtained what? 1 by cos square theta, 1 by sin square theta. 1 by cos square theta can be written as secant square theta, 1 by sin square theta can be written as what? Cosecant square theta. So therefore we obtained our first result, and by just using cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, we convert this cosecant square theta as 1 plus cot square theta. By using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, we converted this secant square theta as 1 plus tan square theta, and after simplifying that we obtained our required result. So we obtained two results as per the given problem, right. So like this we can solve all the problems of trigonometric identities. So guys, I think you would have understood these problems based on trigonometric identities. In our next video also we are going to come up with some more difficult models of the trigonometric identities. So I think you might have understood.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.